It's no secret that the key to a close, smooth shave is hot lather. Historically, this is created using a shave mug or ceramic scuttle. But never have these items traveled well. That is, until now. Meet the CK Travel Shave Scuttle. Constructed of microwave and dishwasher-safe, lightweight and durable space-age polymers. The steel of plastic. Polypropylene. Shatterproof and virtually indestructible. Toss it in your suitcase or bag and forget about it until you get there. But that's not all. Included in our kit, you will find a corrosion-resistant silicone stopper, one insulating neoprene scuttle glove, a microfiber travel pouch, which doubles as a handy drying cloth, and an exclusive travel shave soap. Everything you need to ensure a hot lather and close shave on the road every time. Grab your Crown King Travel Scuttle today for the low cost of $26.95. Available now at phoenixshaving.com.